Every product, every sachet that comes off this line is changing the life of a child.
With the snip of a ribbon.
Woo! All right, nice job.
And a bit of ceremony.
Well, today is a special day. We do this with great pride.
Amway and its 27 partners around the globe mark a milestone. The Power of 5 program adding a new production line at the Spalding Production Complex in Ada, Michigan that will make just one little product with a huge impact.
But I see what the effects of malnourishment can do and what Little Bits will do for kids around the world. We're impacting 150,000 kids. We're looking to expand that, and this production line allows us to do just that.
Little Bits is a collection of 15 vitamins and nutrients specially formulated for the needs of malnourished children who are 6 months to 5 years old. Already running at capacity, the new line allows Amway, through the Power of 5 campaign, to bring production of Little Bits to the Spalding Complex, expanding capacity by nearly 400% and at a huge cost savings.
That's great because it also helps defray the cost of all the other products made in the Spalding plant for all of our ABOs around the world. But even more importantly, as Michael mentioned and Jeff mentioned, this frees up dollars now that we can reach hundreds of thousands of more children around the world through the Power of 5 program.
According to the World Health Organization, 3.1 million children globally die each year to malnutrition and 155 million are stunted. That's why Amway decided to produce Little Bits in the first place, and why they're expanding production of Little Bits now.
So, Nutrilite Little Bits. It's this special little sachet that saves lives and equips kids with the tools to help them survive, thrive, and grow.
A team of more than 100 employees helped make the new production line possible. At the Spalding Complex in Ada, Michigan, Chris Copes, WHQ News.